What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're gonna make a delicious curry today. We're gonna be using some quinoa, and also we're gonna be using some Brussels sprouts and some other delicious veggies. I'm gonna try to keep it really light. I'm not gonna use coconut milk, but it's gonna be absolutely delicious and super spicy. So let's get right to work. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell, so every time we upload a new video, you get notified for brand new healthy recipes. Okay, so these are the ingredients that we're going to be using on this recipe. I have some curry. This is my homemade. I have almost 2 cups of quinoa. Let's just say it's 2 cups. A 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro. 4 or 5 cloves of finely minced garlic. These are ground Thai chili flakes. About 2 cups of quartered Brussels sprouts. Salt. 1 diced tomato. This is probably about 1.5 cups. It was a pretty big tomato. About a 1/2 cup of minced. This is a sweet pepper. You could use bell pepper if you like. It's about a 1/2 cup, and olive oil to saute with. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our aromatics. Alright, so in a medium saucepan, this is actually a pot, cast iron pot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put about 1/2 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and let that heat up for a second. Once we got that heated up, I'm gonna go ahead and add first our peppers. Garlic. Now I want to add my quinoa because I want to toast it a little bit before adding water. Well, that's an ingredient that I forgot to put in the beginning. Is you're going to add double the water. So this is going to get 4 cups of water to the 2 cups of quinoa. Actually, probably more because we've got some other dry ingredients which will make it 4.5 cups. Okay, so once you start getting a nice fragrant smell from the quinoa, okay, so we're gonna add the tomatoes in. You want to break those down a bit into the nice aromatic toasted quinoa. I'm gonna go ahead and add our Brussels sprouts. Continue stirring. Now we're going to add in about a 1/2 tablespoon of curry, just a little smidge of Thai chili. Give all of that a nice stir. I don't know about you guys, but I love the smell of curry. Just that alone is making this smell so good. Not to mention olive oil and garlic is also an amazing aroma. But this right now, once I added that curry, was on another level. So now we're going to go ahead and add the water in. You could also add vegetable stock here. The water is what I had. So pretty much now everything's done except for the cilantro at the end. I'm going to put a cover on this, let the quinoa expand, and we'll come back in about 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 25 minutes or so, and this is totally done. Looks beautiful. The curry smells amazing. Super delicious looking. So I'm going to go ahead and serve this and plate it and give it a taste for you guys. Oh, one last thing I forgot. This fresh cilantro. I'm going to add that in. Going to give a ton of freshness and flavor. I didn't add the whole thing because I actually looked like it was too much. I'll add a little bit more in the end as a garnish just to freshen it up. And we are now ready to really serve. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys one final look how beautiful this came out. I mean, it looks amazing. It's got the beautiful color of the turmeric. It's got nice freshness, from the fresh cilantro. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more, just give it a little bit more color. And we got tomatoes, we got peppers, we got some heat. It's totally beautiful. Normally I would put a little bit of coconut milk on a curry, but I wanted to do it a little bit different, just a little bit lower fat, and just to give it a try like this. And also the fact that I didn't have any coconut milk available. So but it smells amazing, looks amazing. I think it's gonna be great, low fat without the coconut milk. So if I can keep getting away with it like this and it tastes delicious, I might just make a lot more of my curries this way. So I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you really soon on the next one. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and dig in to this super aromatic and super hot curry. Wow. I got a Brussels sprout on the first bite, and I got some of the curry spiciness coming in, and then the sweetness of that perfectly soft Brussels sprout, and the flavors of garlic and turmeric. The fresh cilantro. Oh wow. This is amazing. The coconut milk would have made it a little bit richer, but I feel like this is nice and light. It feels so much like more light, and I feel like I could eat this and really enjoy it without feeling guilty. Wow. You guys got to give this recipe a try. It's so simple, and you guys know it's cheap. The ingredients in here are all cheap. All my vegan recipes are super cheap.